Hey everybody, just got through cleaning the knife. If you want to learn how I clean my knife, go check out the link down below or in the description down below. I show you how to clean it and oil it with some olive oil. Now to be honest with you, the action right out of the box was kind of gritty, opening the blades. And most knives have that gritty action at first because, from the factory you have a lot of dirt grit, machine grit, I'd like to call it, in the scales and in between the blades and inside the bolsters and all that. So you take a brush and warm water and dishwashing liquid soap and wash all that grit out. Dry it really good with paper towels, and then you drench the whole pocket knife in olive oil inside and out, and you wipe it down with paper towel, and you'll see that a lot of the grit and dye and all that comes from the back spring here. When you wipe the back spring down, you can't see it, but when you wipe the back spring, you'll get a lot of grit and dye coming off the back spring. So once you do that, the action becomes buttery smooth. All right, so go check out the description link down below. See you.